In this video, I'm going to show you how to add featured videos and photos on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook application, then hit Add menu icon and then tap at your profile picture to open up your profile. Then hit Add Edit Public Details. And now scroll down for a bit until you find featured option. Just tap there on try it and it brings us to your camera roll, to your stories and to your uploaded photos. And now you can add some media from here to your featured. I'll select that two pictures and then hit on next. On that step I can select a cover for that images. I can switch between those images or I can take a picture using my camera, and also I can name these photos. I'll write in test features. And then I can hit done, and also I can add there more images if I want by tapping on this button. So now I hit add done and I can see this media now here add featured. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.